is being called the Messi of AI, right? And yet Wall Street, they continue to just sort of resist this remarkable story of Palantir. Now, the company posted results after the bell yesterday. For the first time, revenues topped $1 billion. They gave really strong guidance. And despite Wall Street's resistance, this stock has been an absolute juggernaut. It added to its lead as a top performer in the market this year. By the way, up over 500%. I've got one chart that says 610%. Let's just say a lot. My next guest says it's just a massive power of strength. I'm going to bring in Arbor Financial President Jeff Small. Jeff, you know, what exactly sets this company apart?
Well, they're light years ahead of their software and all their competitors. And they really are becoming the Nvidia of software, where Nvidia is, you know, there's only one Nvidia, the champion of chips. They're the champion of software right now. And their business is exploding, Charles. For years, Palantir didn't do anything, but Carp's got this thing set on autopilot, and it's maximized at full throttle. And so at this point, even the insiders originally missed this pricing increase. Everybody got scared when it was at $50 a share, and Peter Thiel was liquidating $1 billion as an original angel investor, and insiders were selling. And so nobody really saw this coming. I mean, I missed this opportunity, to be honest with you. And so, but the reality is this thing is growing 20% quarter over quarter on net earnings. Their commercial contracts exploded by $2.27 billion they added in the second quarter. And so, you know, if they keep up this trajectory, you know, they're going to march to $1 trillion in market cap within 2 to 3 years. I mean, they are really running hard. But this is one you probably want to own, just like you want to probably own Nvidia, because they seem to have the secret sauce.
Right. I want to jump on Nvidia in a second, but let me pick back up on this because I love Alex Karp, right? And I liked him first and then the stock second. And the irony is here, Wall Street is resistant to him. I think he's an anti-establishment guy. Also, of course, you know, he's been upset because they missed this stock, but he thinks they missed it on purpose because too many retail investors own it. It's too opaque or whatever the reason. And I like the idea that you say, hey, listen, a lot of folks missed it, but it's still an opportunity. Nvidia, this is another one that's made a huge move. They're going to report soon. You would be long the stock into that report?
You know, after the Trump tariff news of 30 minutes ago, might have some buying opportunities here next week. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But yes, I am long Nvidia. Their guidance is 50% growth versus 69% growth last year on earnings. Look, this is a winner. There's only one Nvidia. You've got to own this company. We know AI spending is going to even explode more in 2026. And so should you run out and buy it, it's all-time high today. You know, try and buy the dips. We'll have some seasonal volatility in the market hopefully coming up here. Maybe we won't. There's a strong bullish theme for August. The market is rolling up. But if you can buy the dips on Nvidia, you definitely want to add that to your collection. Google has gone back and forth, right? You know, they were going to get crushed by AI. Because their search business, and all of a sudden they figured things out, and more folks are jumping on the bandwagon. That's a buy here for you as well, right? It really is. I really like Google, Charles. I think that is a sleeper with a knockout punch. Most consumers are using Google AI overviews right now. There's over 200 billion users in 40 different countries, and there's no other AI challenger yet. And so you definitely want to put this one, add this one to your mix. It is the cheapest Mag 6 or Mag 7 stock at this stage at 20 times earnings. It's a screaming buy. Buy the dips.
Tesla has been screaming. I'm not, I'll pick up, it's been screaming. You know, listen, it's sort of in a range right now, but is this on your buy list as well?
Well, if you noticed, I said Mag 6 minus Tesla, right? The Mag 7. And so the Mag 6 has done really well with their earnings, doing great. Tesla is a buy, and I will tell you why. As the Robotaxi expands without problems, as it expands, you're going to see the share price go up, regardless of what multiples, price to earnings, car sales are. Same thing with Palantir. Nobody really cares. Multiples don't matter until they matter, right? And so as long as the Robotaxi keeps expanding, we are going to see that price go up. And if we're in 20 cities by the end of next year, we will see a $500 price target on Tesla.
All right. I love someone who comes out with a conviction and gusto. A $300 stock to $500, that'll get you back in the show every time, Jeff. See you soon.
Awesome. Thank you, Charles.